Hey everybody, it's Jason with Dakota Micro. I'm out here at the John Deere dealership in Moorhead, Minnesota, RDO equipment. We're going to be looking at the John Deere 4640 monitor and how we can adapt our cameras into that monitor. We're going to talk about the DMAC-JD4C, which is the adapter cable you're going to use to connect the AgCam or the EnduraCam cameras into the monitor. And we're going to be looking at the DMOV-JD4C, which is the cable you're going to be used to connect the overview into the John Deere 4640 monitor. The cables are 133 inches long. The monitor itself is able to do anywhere from 1 to 4 cameras. You won't be able to see them at the same time, but you'll be able to scroll through them. The monitor can do either NTSC or PAL video format cameras, just not at the same time. So if you're using a certain video format camera, you need to stick with that one. Let's go inside and check it out. There's 3 connection points on this cabling. You have this connector, which connects onto the back side of the monitor. You have your power, which connects into the John Deere convenient power strip, and then you have your camera connectors. You have 4 camera connectors. So the install is pretty easy. On the back side, back around the corner here, is an empty port. You just plug it into that port, the monitor connector, and then you plug your power into the John Deere power strip. And then the rest is simply you're just going to connect your camera into your different camera inputs and run them all over to wherever your machine's at. Very fast, very simple install. Here's what it looks like when it's turned on. All right, so I'm sitting here in the cab of the tractor with the John Deere 4640 monitor. I got my camera hooked up on the back side, on the back port here, as I said before, and then I got the power connected to the power strip down here, and I have one of our AgCam cameras hooked up. And so to get to the camera, you hit the menu button, application, you scroll down, and you get the video. You pull it up, and there you have the video. As you can see, it's got the 4 different cameras there, so if I were to click on any of the other ones, it's not going to show anything because I don't have a camera hooked up yet. So it gives a great picture. As I said, it can do 4 cameras, just not at the same time, so you have to scroll through them. All right, that's a pretty simple and easy install. And so it's a great way for you to be able to get into the AgCam and EnduraCam camera with the existing monitor you already have. I do want to remind you that the monitor cannot do the analog high definition AgCam or EnduraCam camera, so you need to stick with the CVBS or standard analog cameras that we have. Check out our website, www.dakotamicro.com. For more information on the adapter cables DMAC-JD4C and the DMOV-JD4C, as well as you can find a dealer near you on our Locate Dealer tab. This is Jason with Dakota Micro, telling you go out, buy an AgCam camera today, and see what you've been missing.